Hey, we're back again with Reece and Metal Pete here.
What's it drawing?
The light is drawing 0.22 amps.
And we are testing a... Can I take the camera?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm going to take the camera. I am going to... It's not labeled, but we think it's a Moss Tropical Breeze.
Yeah, it looks just like a Moss Tropical Breeze.
The only tag on it is that one. Bell canopy. Screws. These screws are not original. The ones the ones that holds the blades to the motor.
No, I borrowed them off my Coda.
And
they're the only ones that fit.
You didn't try the other one?
I did, and they just don't thread in.
Not even on the multi-level canopy?
Yes, yeah, they're different.
All right, I'll turn the light. Should I turn the light off?
Yes.
We should have put an extension on it.
I know, I should have. We're not really. Okay, let's do the fan. Okay.
All right, take the
camera.
I almost wish we started our videos on high.
Well, usually I do it because of spin down.
Speaking of, this would have been new fan or golden fan, right?
Is
this golden fan or new fan?
I think maybe golden fan.
Why not new fan?
It could be new fan. I'm open to that idea.
Look at your ones labeled new fan, and then look at the ones labeled golden fan on your shelf.
I don't.
You don't have any labeled golden fan?
I don't think so. I might. This one looks like a new fan. I mean, they're almost the same motor shape.
Aren't the motors different in some way? You told me this, right?
Maybe a little bit.
Like, isn't the shape different? All right, what's it drawing?
It is, on low, it is drawing 0.3 amps. And let me check the power factor of half a power factor. Medium. All right. And it's drawing 0.47 amps.
You know how it tore?
With a power factor of 3/4.
You know how it spun a bit?
Yeah, because it's on a J-hook. And that's normal. Let's go to high.
Honestly, I'm trying to see how much I can get this in. That's what she said.
Let's do high.
This thing's got a lot of force.
Yeah. They're known for...
These view fans are... This view fan, I think.
Okay, let's see what the
48-inch view fan has an identical motor to this, I think.
It is drawing 0.61 with a power factor of 1.
Do not turn it off yet. I'm going to do an air movement
Yes,
test.
do an air movement test with this.
Unlike last time where I hooked up and did it last. It's kind of slow.
Yeah, new fans were. Well, it's a cast iron motor.
New fans are?
Yeah. Or these era.
I can barely feel anything. I'm slightly... The 2004 Gold Line probably works better than this thing.
Well, yeah, it's an industrial.
Yeah, if you sit in the chair, how it is when you sit in the chair, and then I can flip the off switch.
Yeah, flip it off. Flip
now?
it. Yeah. We'll do spin down. Yeah. And then I'll reverse it.
Now it's at 0.00.
Yep. Okay, I set it to low, so when it's done spinning down, we'll,
please don't have a good spin down. I want to get this done over with. I want to get to more fans. That's okay. It's fine.
Yeah.
It's okay. Is that like the... I think... You tried the ones on that one?
I did.
On the, whatever that is, the one with the lower canopy we took apart?
That is the one with the low. I did try them on there, and they just won't screw in.
They're identical motors.
I know, but the threading is different.
How?
Sometimes maybe a finer, sometimes coarser thread.
A finer?
Fine thread, meaning more threads per inch.
You're a metals expert. So.
Oh yeah, machinist.
You're an expert on everything metal.
Yeah.
Including metal music.
Decide, yes.
Decide. Is that a thought?
No, that's a death metal band. Decide. Oh yeah. Glenn. I'll show you some. And we're. Jeez, it's cast iron spinner, so.
Slow down, please. Please have bad bearing. Please have bad bearings. Please haven't been oiled in over 20 years. This fan's probably almost 40 years old.
Oh yeah.
It was 1978, which 40 years ago. Do you think this is from the early 80s?
At the latest.
Maybe even mid 80s.
Yeah. I don't know if it's mid 80s. All right, decade. Oh, reverse. Hit low. Turn it on.
Or if there's one of those ones that goes slower on low. What was it going on forward low?
0.3 amps.
What's it at now? 0.3?
Same. This one just sometimes reverse just reverses the polarity of the current and uses the same coils. So in that case, it's going to have the same current draw.
What is this for, the fan?
Oh, that's for the decade box.
There, now
What it does is create the circuit to go through the decade box.
The only way I'd have to get shocked is touching these things up here.
Or the wire leads themselves, which I put them out of the way.
Have you ever done that?
Oh, once on Dan's.
I would wrap them in electrical tape.
I could do that.
Yes, excellent. Excellente.
Okay, what's it drawing? 0.46, and then I'm going to do...
I don't care. They should make wire-ons out of metal material.
Well, that'll zap you.
Oh, no!
Well, you want to get...
I'm kidding.
Yeah.
You know you shouldn't put... Now I know why these exist. To be a screwdriver holder.
Yeah.
So why these are here, and let's have some more inception.
0.61, so it's the same current draw. You can turn it off, and I'm going to reverse it.
This is high.
Yeah, just turn it off. I'm going to reverse it back. All right. Ready for a decade box? Ready for a decade box?
All right.
1. Nothing. 2. 3.
Is it spinning?
Oh, just barely. Go to 3. Now it is. It's.
You read the amperage. I can't read.
Oh, I'm sorry. 0.13.
I still can't read it. Yeah, 0.13. We should almost. I feel like we should have the light on.
No, that'll.
Mess up our.
Yeah, current draw. Yeah, and the 4.
I'm trying to see which one of these screwdrivers is longer.
Okay. And then let's go to 5 for a standard low.
Oh. Okay.
Go to 5.
That's kind of a. It's not really.
Yeah, this might take a higher capacitance control to put it on a wall control or a solid state. 0.22. Well, this is kind of... All right, go to 6.
I'm not sure which one of these is longer. I think they're the same height.
Mm-hmm.
I want to see which one of these.
Well, they're supposed to be, but they're both either a flat or Phillips.
So they're meant to be the same height.
Yeah.
Guess what? I'm making a paradox of screwdrivers. Guess what? I'm making this super confusing for everyone involved. I can't get it out. Okay, there we go. I think.
Okay, well, let's go to 7. 7.
Box fan with a knob somewhere to that.
Yeah. And it's right on with factory low.
This is factory low?
Yep.
I just realized this is kind of fast.
Well, sometimes the current draw is a little different, but that's what it draws on factory low.
FPEC, Federal Pacific Electrical Company, North Carolina. Now I'll go to 9.
Yeah, let me see what it's doing on 8. Do 9.
I wonder if this would work on 8, 12. 0.3. Oh, I forgot to check the average on the other one.
Yeah, I did. Oh, yeah, I did.
0.37.
Yeah, go to 10.
Would this be okay on an 8, 12, 20 controller?
I'm guessing so. If 20 does not put it over,
4.41, and then we go to 11.
yeah, go back to 11, go back to 1, and turn on the 10.
Am I at 1?
Or you're at 2, but that's okay.
Actually, I was going to go to 11.
Okay. This amp goes to 11.
What do you mean?
Oh, this is Spinal Tap. It's a movie. It was a metal movie called This Is Spinal Tap. And there was a scene where the guy's like, this amp goes to 11. But why not make 10 louder? But this amp goes to 11.
And what's the point?
Instead of how guitar amps only go up to 10 on their volume thing, on the volume knob, like 1 to 10, he's like...
Is 10 pretty loud?
10 is max out.
And it's hella loud.
Yes. And he's like, but these amps go to 11.
Funny.
Yeah. These go to 11. Okay, 11 is 0.44, so go to 12.
This amp goes to 12.
Yeah.
Wow. We're one step above the competition.
Yep. Okay, so we can go to 13. Now we could actually use a 5813 on it and it still get a good speed range. I mean, your low would be kind of slow, but your low medium would be fine, and then this would be your high medium. You can go to 14. Oh yeah. Sure. I want to go to 14.
This thing gets a lot of use, I could tell, because of all the scrapings and fingerprints.
Oh yeah.
You test fans like every day?
No, I have not had any fans to test since, well, now Fanimation, and I haven't touched any of my acquisitions.
It's not doing anything, is it?
No, because the circuit's not running through the solid state at all.
It's running through...
All of the decade, any of those...
How's this all connected?
I'll show you after we're done. There's it's all paralleled. Like this switch runs straight to the...
How's it being held together?
Oh, just like junction box screws. There's like
They're connected between each other.
Yes.
Okay.
16.
16.53. It's like the other one, going one by one.
Yep. 17. Let's see where are we at. Let's go to 18. 18.
5.6.
Yep.
What was it rated for?
It was like 0.6. So you're kind of close. Go to 20. Let's see what it does on 20. I don't think it's going to go over at 20. Let's just see. Still under. I mean,
is that bearing noise?
Shh, let me listen.
No.
No. But as you can see, with at 20, we're still under 0.6. So you're safe with an 81220. The only problem is, if you use this with an 81220, the 20, which is the high medium speed setting, it'll be too close to high.
Alright, before we do anything, just looking for your stuff. Oh, that's my Fasca. Oh, that's my Charleston. I'm like, hey, you have a white and brass Charleston?
Yep.
That came from me.
Yeah, that's right.
Is there anything wrong with it? Were the blades warped on it? I think the blades were warped on it when I got it. Minimally warped.
Yeah.
Minimal warpage!
Okay, let's go back a little. Go back, and I'm going to do the 20.
No, wait a minute. I'm at 21.
Okay.
0.58.
Yeah, we're going to probably hit it real soon. 29.
Oh, it's 0.5. Is it going to go to 2? Come on.
Go up
Or
one
6
more.
is what I meant.
0.6. Go up one more.
That's going to be
No! C. Go up one more.
Oh, I don't need to do that.
Oh, okay. Let me hit high. Make sure it's... See, I hit high. We're right on.
Shh, listen. Is this doing anything?
No, you're right at it. You're right on the money.
I'm going to go to 0.59 and see if it goes any faster.
No.
It'll only go like a meter faster. Like.
It's... You're not even going to hear a difference. Here, go to 6. Go to 6. Let's just see if it goes over. Turn off the high. Let's just see if it even starts to touch going over. No, it seems to be leveling out at this point. If you want to go to
Once
sell.
it goes over, I'm gonna stop.
Of course, that's what I do. I always stop. But really, oftentimes, it's like very minutely. Oh, it's just starting to creep over at 28.
Going back.
Yeah, go back. But it's not going to hurt it. You
I'm
know,
gonna turn it off.
yeah, just turn it all. First, you go back this way, then turn that one off. And time for the solid state. Yep.
Wait till I turn it on.
Yeah. Switch it to solid state and just start inching it up like you were doing.
Yeah, watch out for that. I'd move that.
Yeah. Just keep pushing. Sometimes it takes more. Keep going. Keep going.
I'm going slowly. I want to see exactly where it starts and when.
Yeah, that's what I usually try to do.
I know it looks like the motor isn't spinning, but the blades are. That's the thing with these spinner fans. You know, it don't look through your feet. It almost looks like the motor is moving, but the blade. We should. What? Oh my god! Did you get that blue sticker off that was on there?
It was just tape.
Oh, the blue. Yeah. Oh my god! I always think I'm gonna fall, but I'm not. Am I?
No.
You'd have to be real stupid to fall.
Okay.
You're that really stupid.
Yeah.
I'm lounging back, boys, by 114 pounds. Right now.
Okay, inch it up some more.
Like to there.
Yep.
Am I at the screw?
Yeah, you are.
Is this like 12 o'clock?
Yep.
Move to like 11:50.
Yep. I really don't hear any motor noise. That's like minimal.
Is this solid state noise?
Yeah. That's like minimal. That's like very minimal for solid state control.
That classic 60 cycle pump.
Yes. And some fans are noisier than others.
It's 60 hertz, 60 cycles.
Yes.
Have you ever seen a fan that's 50, 60 cycles?
Yeah.
What?
It's like,
what fans have you seen that are 50, 60 cycles?
well, all of them. That's a standard hertz that it's rated for to run at.
50 hertz or 50 cycles?
Or, yeah.
So
well, actually, 60 is the standard for American.
But for, like...
Maybe Europe.
Yeah, they use 50 hertz and 220 or 220.
Yeah, different voltage. Okay, go up some more.
To there.
Yep.
What's it at? 0.59. Oh, we're already on the nose.
Well, you can turn it to where it stops, where you feel it stopping.
Yeah, it stopped. It is still not under.
Yeah, it's still a little hair under.
So what control could I use? Let's just go straight to high for this.
Well, you have to flip the switch back, this switch back, if you want to do straight high.
All right, now I'll turn it back off. Actually, let me do this. Do you think I did it pretty good, pretty majestically?
Yeah, what you can do is, or what's even better, like have them both on. If you want to compare, just flip from the cap to solid state.
Watch it. Focus the camera on it. Watch what it does. Make the camera. No, on the fan. Watch.
Yeah. Yeah, it's flipping back between the two.
Solid state, please. Now I'll turn it off.
Yeah, just turn it all the way down. Okay, and then we can go back to cap and do a 0 to high.
We didn't get to stop it.
Oh.
This is off.
Oh yeah, turn that off. I didn't stop it yet.
All right, now I'll put here to high.
Let me just come down to watch the meter.
You watch the meter. I'll watch the fan.
Okay.
0.61.
Yep, very little inrush, and it's going to drop right to
You know the
0.6.
reason? I think I know the reason it does that.
What?
To get the motor to go faster and faster.
Well, it's to get it to accelerate, yeah, to get it to accelerate.
What if it just stayed at point? What if it stayed at 0.6? It wouldn't go. Be able to go. What's the highest inrush you've ever seen?
Oh, on box fans usually.
Oh, like on ceiling fans, I mean.
On ceiling fans, ooh,
Usually it's industrials
yeah,
or originals or something like that.
yeah,
Like
shaded poles.
Like antiques.
Yes.
Antiques make very high inrush armature.
Oh yeah, and that's actually all we have for this. Moss Tropical Breeze,
I
or
believe this is a Moss Tropical Breeze.
yeah, it looks almost like one. Yep. All right, and thanks for watching.